lol zombies of the Bay variety. If you're new here, I'm Mikey, and my face has not gotten stuck this way despite all the warnings. Please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of all videos, and hit the thumbs up if you've missed the old school glam tutorials because it has been a while. Let us, ketchup mayo, begin. My base and brows are already on, so we can hop right into the eye action. I'm taking this fluffy brush and the new MAC Risk Taker eyeshadow palette. Using the color Totally Obsessed, or any shadow that is close to your skin color, blend that quickly over your whole lid, crease, and brow bone area. This will make blending the darker colors a bit easier later on. Next, using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I'm taking a shade that is a bit darker and warmer than my skin on a new fluffy brush and starting to work that into the crease. This is the first of a few colors we'll use to get that gradual gradient blend. Next, I'm taking this warm brown shadow and repeating the same thing I did with this last color, blending it into the crease. Just this time not going up to the brow quite as high as the tan color. If you have trouble with keeping it lower than the last, it helps to use a tinier fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M506 and it's perfect for controlled blending in a smaller area. With each color we add, I tend to go back in with the previous brush and whatever color remains on it and just go over the area where the last two colors meet to further blend it out. Then do the same process with a matte cranberry shadow, and eventually a matte black shadow. A couple general tricks for blending bright or dark colors in a look like this. Start in the crease, where you have the most product on your brush, and wait to blend up until you've almost run out of product. Also decrease how much pressure you're applying with your brush as you move upward. If you have trouble going in with a light hand, try holding your brush closer to the end without the bristles. Now to make this lid look like this lid. You'll need some sort of pigmented but fair primer or concealer. I usually use MAC's Paint Pot in soft ochre, but today I'm experimenting with Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer on an angled brush. You want to cover your lid with as clean of a line towards the crease as you can. It's more important that the crease line is clean in the inner half and middle of the eye than the outer corner of the eye for this look, because those are the areas that are staying light. My best advice for this is to just take your time, use a light amount of product, and slowly work your way up to the right spot. Then, because Shape Tape can take a minute to dry and I don't want to mess up my crease shadow, I quickly applied Let It Rock from the Risk Taker palette all over the lid in a patting motion. Then taking this black sparkly shadow, Risky Business, on the tiniest little brush, I start to pat that in the outer corner of my lid. Don't go too far in because then you'll want to take a clean fluffy brush to start blending that dark shadow towards the center of your lid. Now that I know I've avoided any dark shadow fallout, I'm doing a quick bake under my eyes with Patrick Starr's MAC setting powder. You can leave your lash line blank if you're not planning on putting on falsies, but I like having at least tiny liner if I'm going to be putting false lashes on, which we all know I'm gonna do. I'm using Tarte's Maneater liquid liner for that, which is my favorite liquid liner pen ever. Mascara is boring to watch. Quickly finish off the lower lash line by applying the same cranberry shadow, a little bit of the black shadow, and smoking that all out using one of those fluffy brushes so long as they don't have too much product left on them. See? Told you. These are Seeing Double lashes from Bellamy, and they're really wispy and fluffy and soft, and I love them. Always go back over your lash line with some more liner after you've glued on falsies, even if you're using dark glue. It makes a difference. Trust me. If you see me laughing off screen a lot here, it's because I had The Office playing in the background. It's kind of like my good luck charm. I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious. Okay, it's not my good luck charm, I just wanted to quote Michael Scott. I'm contouring quickly using the Park Ave Princess Tarte palette. Then I'm taking the Morphe Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighter palette and the shade Vacation. All the names in this palette are amazing. On his fan brush and dusting that onto my cheekbones. I ended up adding in a little bit of the shade Baby Girl to give a little extra pop, because even with a tan, I still can't hang with the darker highlight shades. Highlighting the collarbones and shoulders too for a little extra glow below the nose. Lastly, some lips. I chose NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Vintage to bring the whole cranberry theme together, but if you want this look to be a little less punky or intense, pair this with a nude lip. And that's it. I hope you liked this Wait, no, just kidding. I added glitter to the lid last minute. I know. I do this to myself. It's like the smell of gasoline. I know it's not good for me. I know I shouldn't like it, but I still do. I do. Okay, that's actually it. I mentioned a lot of products by name, but this video is not sponsored by any of those brands. This video is brought to you much more so by my super lovely patrons on Patreon. If you want a little extra glam and gore, or you just want to support crowdfunding, the link for that will be in the description below. If you want more glam tutorials like this, let me know what sorts of looks you'd like to see next. There's so many on YouTube already that I kind of worry about doing something already really oversaturated, but I also want to go over what you guys need more of. So let me know, potatoes. Bye. Just